YouTube. I'm sorry I didn't do a video for a long time. I was just been busy. I just didn't know what to make, and I made up this slime. It's a slime, but is it ready? It isn't ready because you know how it sticks to my hand, to my finger. Look, let me touch it. You see how it sticks to it? See? It isn't ready yet, but it's almost going to be ready. I just need this. And so the materials you're going to need is gel. I'm just using this kind of gel. And you're going to need baby shampoo or soap. Okay? Any kind of soap you like. And you're going to need something to mix it in and a mixing utensil. So that means it's something you mix it in. So first get your gel. And I also have another tutorial. I can only tell you, you can use soft soap and just like regular shampoo, not baby shampoo, and mix it all together and leave it out for 1 day like that. Okay. Sorry, having a little trouble. Permit. Put as much as you want, as slimy as you want. Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you, I'm making slime. And then open the baby shampoo. Okay. And we put a little bit. That much. I'll put a little bit. And now mix it. Now I'm mixing it. Big. I don't like that. So I'm put. Okay, I'm gonna put some more, a little bit more soap, but you only need a teeny bit, okay? Because if you put a lot, that won't be good. It won't turn out. A bubble came up. Okay, and then you start mixing that up. And mix it, and then you're just going to leave it out and mix it till it gets all like this. Like, can I show my other back? Like this. Like this. You know how it sticks to your finger? I have two ways you can do it. You can put it in the freezer just for a little while, like to the top one, and let it freeze for a while, and then mix it up. But that won't turn out so good. And another way you can just leave it out for 1 whole day without like touching it, and for 1 whole day, and then. For 1 whole day, and then the next day, the time that you made it, look at that time, and it'll be ready. So I hope you like this tutorial. And in the comments below, in the comment, tell me what you want. In the comments, tell me what you want me to make in my next week, in my next video. Okay. Bye.